In this video, I am going to show you how to use quick add calories in MacroFactor. If you have the application downloaded, make sure to go and open it up. If you don't, go and download this first, then simply go and open it up. If you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. If you don't, you'll have to go and create an account. The application is paid. You will be required to have a plan. Of course, they offer a free plan. Not the free plan, like a free trial for 7 days for $1 if you want to try it out before start working with it. So now as an example, once we are here, we would like to add our calories in MacroFactor quickly. Of course, if we go here, we'll be able to see like how much calories I consume today, and I'll be able to see the remaining that I'll need to consume this day. So to quick add this, if I go here to food log, I can go to the exact hour. As an example, let's say now is 7 p.m. and here I'll be able to add my quick calories, like the food that I ate. Let's say, example, you have a custom food that you ate a lot. You can simply add it as an example from here, and you can always copy it. So let's say, example, I ate this custom food here. I can just go and click on it and click on copy. And as you can see, I can go to tomorrow, which is today, and paste it here. So I ate it now. This is one of the ways that can make calories added very quick. You can also click here on the plus button and you'll be able, as an example, to scan a QR code, or here click on quick add to add your simply custom food. This is for custom food. For other stuff, you can simply just search for it here. As I said, also, if you eat something like in this day, you ate an apple, you can always click on it and copy it and paste it wherever you want. Other than that, you'll be able also to scan the barcode if you want to of a product. You'll be able to scan it using your camera. So that's how you basically quick add calories in MacroFactor. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.